Before we center ourselves with the brain and heart coherence, we must first ground ourselves. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground beneath you. Notice how steady and safe it feels. Now imagine roots growing from the bottom of your feet, reaching down into the earth. With each breath, these roots spread deeper and wider, anchoring you firmly to the ground. Inhale, and feel the stability of the earth rising up through your roots, into your legs, into your whole body. Exhale, and let go of any stress, tension, or scattered energy, sending it down into the earth where it can be absorbed and transformed. With each breath, you become heavier, steadier, more present. You are safe, you are supported, you are grounded. Now, stay here for a few moments, connected to the earth. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness up from your feet to your heart.